slime bar, so it's not getting that. It's not sticky at all right now. Just making the slime to get bigger, cause I don't want my slime to be stuck little. It's without glue. You don't need glue to make your slime bigger. Without glue. It's ain't that it was bigger than it was, guys. Imagine it from the other video and watch, and make sure you click on my subscribe button. I'll link it down below. Click on that subscribe button. No, and go to my Snapchat. I'll link that down below. It's Carvel/Clark. Okay, you're just gonna take that, do this. I'll see, I can steal that up on camera. Oh my god. Okay, it's so sticky. Okay, it wasn't sticky at first with the Tide. I'm just gonna add a little bit more Tide. Sorry about if y'all hear some noise in the background. And I'm just gonna okay, it's so sticky. Okay, I had the little side. Let me move this out the way, guys. There we go. Right now, if y'all can tell, right now I'm sitting on the bed. Okay, this might be a long video. It's not gonna be short. Yeah, sorry about that. Look at that. Okay. There we go. All the blind. Hold tight. Look at this. You should come over my house. Look at this. One day I'm gonna make a video outside. Maybe. Oh yeah, click that video outside when I made it outside. I did make a video outside before. I'm poking it really on my leg. Okay, just gonna. It's so sticky. Just put it right back in the container because it's too sticky. I'm trying to get all this mess off of my hands. It looked just bigger. It looked bigger than it was. I'm telling you. It looked bigger.